Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your partner loves cooking, baking, or trying delicious foods, this video is for you. Today, we're sharing 20 amazing anniversary gift ideas for food lovers that are thoughtful, practical, and perfect for creating memorable moments together. Let's get started. Number 1. Premium Chocolate Gift Box. A sweet and classic anniversary surprise. Number 2. Personalized Recipe Book. Collect favorite recipes and meaningful food memories together. Number 3. Gourmet Snack Basket. Filled with halal snacks, cookies, nuts, and sweet treats. Number 4. Coffee Machine. Perfect for coffee lovers who enjoy cafe-style drinks at home. Number 5. Customized Cutting Board. Add names or anniversary dates for a personal touch. Number 6. Dessert Making Kit. Fun and creative for couples who enjoy baking together. Number 7. Air Fryer. A practical kitchen gift for healthier homemade meals. Number 8. Personalized Mug Set. Matching mugs for coffee or tea lovers. Number 9. Premium Dates Gift Box. Elegant and meaningful halal-friendly gift option. Number 10. Spice Collection Set. Perfect for cooking lovers who enjoy trying new flavors. Number 11. Mini Waffle Maker. A fun kitchen gadget for breakfast lovers. Number 12. Decorative Serving Tray. Stylish and useful for meals and desserts. Number 13. Gourmet Honey Collection. Natural sweet flavors beautifully packaged. Number 14. Personalized Apron Set. Matching aprons for cooking together at home. Number 15. Tea Gift Box. A relaxing collection of premium teas and accessories. Number 16. Kitchen Knife Set. Useful and practical for home chefs. Number 17. Homemade Dessert Surprise. Bake cookies, cupcakes, or favorite desserts for a personal touch. Number 18. Recipe Stand Holder. Helpful for cooking and kitchen organization. Number 19. Premium Dinnerware Set. Beautiful plates and bowls for special meals together. And finally, number 20. Romantic Homemade Dinner Night. Cook a delicious halal meal together and decorate the dining area for a memorable anniversary celebration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.